Look at this. So windy and stuff out there. Not a lot, but the wind is so bad.
Give me this decor.
What are you doing?
My pose.
Packing or something?
See what I'm posing.
I'm not taking a picture.
Oh. That was embarrassing.
What is that in the bag? Push it down.
There's nothing in there.
Okay.
Now I need to go get you. I need some gloves.
Why are you throwing the things on the ground?
So it's easier. I can pick them up. Ugh.
So hang up back the jacket. We have stuff it down on the chair.
There's no good ones.
There's one right here in front of you.
Yeah, but it'll slip off.
Put it on the one that has the snow pants. And close it up. Then it won't slip off.
Ugh. It's really cold out there. There's literally a blizzard.
Is it a blizzard? Maybe.
Well, no one said anything about wind chill.
Yeah, the wind is bad. Hurry up.
For snow blizzards. We need ski pants, you need a warm jacket, you need gloves, you need a hat, you need a neck warmer, you need a hoodie, you need underpants. And you might need some extra socks too.
I just recorded a video yesterday talking about how it was warmer but there was wind, and this morning there's snow and wind. So snowfall last night, and it's snowing right now, and the wind is still winding. So as you saw, the windows are covered, mostly because the snow blew onto the window and stuff like that. But it is a day. My husband is putting on his neck warmer. That's how you know it should be serious outside. The temperature drop, but him normally just in him hoodie and him light jacket. So when you see me put on neck warmer, you know.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye, my love.
Love you. Love you. Love you too. Ooh. Bye, guys. I'm off to school.
So yeah, welcome to the weekend. I'm really excited. excited to show you guys something. Okay, wait. All right. So before I do, let me give you a little bit of a backstory. So I'm a one bag. Like usually I have like one bag, like a good bag, you know. I like crossbody bags, but I usually just have one that's a sturdy handbag. And so the one that I've been rocking for the last couple of years was a Guess handbag that I think I bought in Winners or something like that. But you know, it's not real leather or whatever, and it started to like, the handles started to get like real rocky from, you know, just being carried very often, the wear and tear and everything like that. A couple of years ago, my husband got me a Coach bag, like a Coach phone crossbody bag, and I love that thing down. Do you hear me? I love it so much. I think it might be the year after that he also got me like a brush and knapsack from Jamaica. So I love the brush head down as well. But see, the problem with the brush is that it has a little bit of weight to it, right? It's a knapsack, it has a little bit of weight to it, and so when I put my laptop and my iPad in there, the bag has weight, yeah. And in the summer it's not too bad, it's fine, but in the winter time when you've got jackets and everything is bulky, it tends to be a bit much. So I would normally swap it out for the handbag or a lighter knapsack that I have. So anyway, because like I said, my you know, regular handbag is a little bit tattered and whatever, so I decided that I wanted a new handbag. So I started shopping, and wouldn't you know it, I went to Coach because of that crossbody bag that I love so much. I went looking on the Coach website, and guess what? I fell in love with the Coach Rowans, right? And I almost got a medium one. I was thinking a medium and whatever, and I sent it to my friend because the one that I wanted, the 6-inch print that I wanted, was out of stock. And I sent it to my friend and I was asking her, can you see if you can get this in Toronto? And she was like, girl, if you're going to get a bag, get a black bag, make it a big girl purchase. And so I come back down to earth. I was like, okay, make it a big girl purchase. Now if I'm going to do that, it doesn't make sense for me to buy a bag that can't fit my iPad, that can't fit my laptop, which I carry around pretty often. I rarely go anywhere without my iPad now. So it meant I had to get a large, and I ordered it and it came today. I know I've been chatting a long time, but this is she, my Coach Rowan. I'm so excited, y'all. Don't judge me. It came today. It was in a box. Some already took it to the Bible club through it, but here she is. You know. Oh my God. I'm in my grown woman era, okay? I'm in my grown woman era. So let's unbox her with me. So this is the strap. The strap look long. I don't know whether I am a long strap type of girl. I don't really think this is my speed at all, but we'll see. You never know. There's space to fall in love with something new. Oh, here it is. It's pretty long. So, oh my gosh. Ooh. So this is the strap. I'm just gonna put it on. Ooh. Pop that off. I'll do that later, the other things, but this is the strap. So this is what it looks like with the strap. And you can bring it up, which is probably what I want to do, is to bring it up further. So I'm gonna bring that up here. I've seen that a lot of women choose to get a different strap for this. But so there she is with the at the shortest possible. And I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. I don't think that it's my intention to use the strap very much. Ooh. So there it is. Got the gold hardware. And I love it so much. It's structured. And like I said, I thought I would just get something that would be able to hold my mostly my iPad, but when I saw it online, I thought I saw women who had like fairly large laptops say that it could fit, but when I looked at the bag, I'm like, will it fit my laptop? I don't know. So we're gonna check. Ooh, okay, so this is the back and this is the inside. That's what that looks like. You've got the inside zipper. There's a snap part over here, and then over this side it has a zipper, which I like. Yeah, so it'll be pretty easy to like slide my phone in there and my AirPods, which I generally have. So yeah, I have my iPad Air. It's 13-inch, so I'm gonna test that out. Don't mind me grubby fingers all over it. This is what it looks like, and it fits in there. Yay. Okay, and then so the next test to see if it really is that girl is my laptop, which is a 14-inch. Let me take this part off and see if she can fit in the bag. Because I thought, like I said, I thought she was going to fit, but then when I saw the bag, I'm like, it's looking a little close, you know? So this is it standing all the way up. Just like I just slid it in there, and so this is what that looks like. Can I maneuver it and make it fit? I think I can. Hold on. Oh, what kind of computer them have? Nope, it slants, but it wouldn't close. So it's in there, and hold on. Nope. So it's closed, but this is what that looks like with my 14-inch laptop, MacBook Pro. I could probably force it, but I don't know that I would want to, because then you don't get the full space of the bag. So yeah, that's a no-go for me. I'm gonna have to stick with the brochet if I want to bring this around, or maybe I buy another tote that is not the satchel. But I love the silhouette, I love the shape of the bag. But yeah, this is awesome. Like I said, it fits my iPad, which is really what I was looking for. And the iPad is 13-inch, so it could have not, and then it's on that side, and then it still has plenty space for the girly things, you know. So I mean, yeah, okay. But anyway, yeah, but I just want to show them because I'm really excited. Oh. Anyway, I'm excited. It's very cold. It's in the -20s. Winter just starts our Regina. And since we're already out, I'm just gonna see what I can get in Michael's. Hello. Thank you.
Need a hand of anything?
Oh, oh look. Yarn's on sale.
Ooh, yay.
Check it out.
Yummy.
I'm going to head straight to the flowers because we know that's what I want. Right? Cute baskets. Okay. Let's see. Up in here. Oh, these are pretty. What do you think? What do you think?
They look nice.
Yeah.
Pretty.
It's beigey. Remember, we're trying to get a little pop of color.
I like these.
I like them too, but they're very beigey. Maybe for the thing upstairs.
Mommy, look down that alleyway.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
This is very plastic. Very, very plastic. Let me see if I can buy one, get one free. Spring sale. Ooh. Okay. I want to take this off because I want to see. And they haven't. Hold this on me. Why are you wearing my glasses? Can you see in them?
Yeah.
Fine? It's not pulling your eye or anything?
Mm-mm. Why are those yarns so high?
Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, it feels so good. You almost think it's real.
Oh, it feels good.
It feels so good.
Feels nice. My queen.
This is nice, but again, it's all colorless. You know, like you could put like a, but it would be so colorless. Trying to add a pop of green or some type of color. These are cute, but this isn't cute.
I just put on way too much lip gloss.
See that? That is gonna make a mess in my place. They're pretty, but they would make a mess.
They look like cauliflower. Mom, oh sorry, Mommy, I just put on a bit too much lip gloss.
These ones. Why am I? See, I have a problem reaching for the white stuff. I really have a problem reaching for the white stuff.
Mommy, sorry, I just put on way too much lip gloss.
I hope your mouth isn't on that thing. Still looking for that pop of color. Does this do it? Without overdoing it? Orchids. They might be a good. Anyway, I'll show you guys whatever I decide on. I'm gonna go looking without having to hold the phone and stuff.